Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about joining plate connection macro to a vertical brace. For that, we will place column, beam and vertical brace. Let's start. First step, grid modification. Double click on grids to edit. By default, we have these grids. Now we will edit as per design drawing. In X coordinate, we have 19 feet 0 inch 3 by 8. Now in Y coordinate 15 feet 1 inch 1 by 8, and in Z coordinate we have 16 feet 10 inch 1 by 2. Label 1, 2 in X coordinate, and in Y coordinate B, A, and in Z coordinate +0 and +16 feet 10 inch 1 by 2. Click on modify. Done. Now check it once again. In edit option, click on measure. Distance between BA and 1, 2. Right click on mouse and select feet area, work entire model. Now second step, create view along grid lines. To create views, select grids, right click on mouse and create views along grid lines. Now column placing. In steel option, double click on column and edit its properties as per design drawing. In design drawing, we have column profile W8 into 35. Bottom 0, top 16 feet 10 inch 1 by 2. Place on grid line B1, 2. Also change column rotation from front to back. Click on modify. For this column also, front to back. Click on modify. Column placing done. Now beam placing. For beam placing, click on window, open view list and select planet elevation 16 feet 10 inch 1 by 2. In steel option, double click on beam and change its profile as per design drawing. We have beam profile W12 into 40. Place from left to right. Done. Beam placing done. Click on window and select 3D view. Now vertical brace placing. Click on window, open view list and select elevation on grid B. Double click on empty space, open display setting. In advanced, turn on part center line option, click on modify, apply, OK. Now double click on beam, select vertical brace, change its profile, in design drawing we have W6 into 15. In eye profile, W shape, W6 into 15. First, we will create two construction line. In edit option, select construction object line from 1 to 2. Interrupt. Now copy special this line at 7 inch 7 by 8 in Z direction. 7 inch 7 by 8. Copy. Now again move this line at 1 feet 11 inch from 0 elevation. Click on copy, OK, cancel. Now we will place vertical brace in steel option. To select beam. We have already changed its properties. Place from left to right at height 7 inch 7 by 8 to midpoint of the beam, and again from mid to 7 inch 7 by 8 elevation. Intersection point. OK. Now back to 3D view. Now change its rotation. Double click on brace. In rotation, select top and click on modify. Do the same for both brace. Modify. Now also change its position. On plane from right to middle. Click on modify. Done. Vertical brace placing done. Now open elevation on grid line P. In edit option, select feet part end and then select brace and then zoom and select outside web line of the column. Done. Now again do the same for another brace. Select brace and again select outside web line of the column. Done. Now at the top again select vertical brace and select bottom line of the beam. Click on intersection line point. Done. Again select another brace. Click on intersection point. Done. Now in edit option, select split and then select brace. Right click on mouse, select intersection point and then click on intersection point between construction line and vertical brace. Again do the same for another brace. Select brace, right click on mouse, select intersection and then select intersection point between construction line and vertical brace. Done. Now joining plate connection. Open application and component. Type joining plate. Select joining plate connection number 14. Select both the brace part one by one. By default, connection is applied. Double click on connection. In general option, up direction, auto, click on modify. Now we will edit this connection as per our design drawing. In picture option, we have gap 1/16 between both plates. Type 1/16. Select macro and modify. Now in parts, we have thickness and width of both the plates, 5/8 thickness and 6 inch 5/16 width. Type and plate thickness 5/8 and width 6 inch 5/16. Both the plates have same thickness and same width. Copy, paste. P1 material in steel option, A36 for plates, name end plate. Again P1 A36 and name end plate. Select macro, click on modify. Now in bolts option, we have bolt size, bolt standard. We have bolt size 3/4 and bolt standard A325N, and total number of bolt is 4. Select bolt size 3/4, bolt standard A325N. Number of bolts in this direction is 2. Distance between two bolts is 2 inch 3/8. And bolt to edge of the plate is 2 inch 3/16 from both the end. And now in this direction we have two bolts, and bolt to bolt distance 1 inch 3/4 plus 1 inch 3/4, that is 3 inch 1/2. Select macro, click on modify, done. Create views of component. Open front view and again check dimensions. Plate edge to bolt distance 2 inch 3/16. Bolt to bolt distance 2 inch 3/8. Again plate edge to bolt distance 2 inch 3 by 16. Total height of the plate is 6 inch 3 by 4. Now only remaining is to create holes for welding. Four holes on vertical brace. In edit option, select polygon cut and then select brace and click on this point and type 1 by 2. Now in this direction, right click on mouse, select perpendicular, type 1 by 2. Again type 1 by 2 in this direction. Again 1 by 2. Okay. Now select this point. Double click on this point, type rounding radius 1 by 2. Done. Now on this side, select polygon cut, select brace, select this point and then type 1 by 2. Again select perpendicular and then type 1 by 2. Again on this side 1 by 2. Now select this point, type rounding radius 1 by 2. Do the same for this also. Select brace, type 1 by 2. Right click on mouse, select perpendicular and then type 1 by 2. Now in this direction type 1 by 2. Again back to the first point, type 1 by 2. Interrupt. Now select this point, type rounding radius 1 by 2. Click on modify. Okay. Now again select polygon cut and repeat the same. Again select this point, double click on this point, type rounding and then 1 by 2, radius modify. Done. We have completed this joining plate connection as per our design drawing. Back to 3D view. In display option, turn off cuts and edit material. Okay. Now for clash check, select brace and connection. Right click on mouse and then clash check. Wait, it will take few seconds to load.